There are no systems. Nobody will follow the system. There is some problem, but I am sorry for all these things. We'll correct it.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry. Tell me, sir.
Sir, could we talk about the president election in India? What's going on and what is the third front?
You want politics here?
Yeah, that's good. Because
Anyway, I'm talking every day in India about politics.
Yeah, we also know about your trip in this country and what was the objective.
Now, first I will tell. After 9 years, I came to America. My last trip was 1998. I spent good amount of time. After that, I came only 2002 or 3 for World Economic Forum in New York. That was another very short trip, 2-3 days. 1998, I came here to promote India and Andhra Pradesh in particular. I met all corporate companies, giants. I used to explain to them what is the strength of India, marketing for Andhra Pradesh and also India. Starting with Seattle, Bill Gates, and I met almost all companies' chiefs. The strength of India, I marketed at the time. I met some politicians also at that time. Mood was okay, but not upbeat. After 10 years, I came now. Mood is totally different. Indians are having confidence now. And also thanks to information technology and also reforms, everybody is believing that India will progress. India will develop a nation another 20-25 years time. That is the scenario today. For the last 1 week or 8 days, I have visited around 9 cities. Tomorrow I am visiting Washington DC. 9 cities I met so many Indians and also Telugu people in particular. I had a very good interactive program with all of them. I used to inquire the activities of NRIs in America. Today, in IT related fields, hotel industry, doctors, Indian community is doing very well. That is a good sign. Per capita income, Indian community is higher than American community. That's also a good sign, around $20,000. That means 66% or 70% Americans are getting, our people are getting 100%. That means very huge difference. This time, my mission is to promote Indian community and also Telugu community in a big way. I wanted to motivate them to become good entrepreneurs with vision. That is my main mission, my objective. Wherever I am going, I am talking all these things. They are responding very well, extremely well, as a matter of fact. They are confident now. They are saying, yes, we can do it. I wanted to make them, as on today, Indian community is doing very well. At the same time, even Jewish are doing very well in America also. So what I am thinking, I wanted to promote these Indians to do better than anybody in the world, in all walks of life. That means good entrepreneurs.
Do better here or do better for you?
Everywhere, everywhere. They are having capabilities, they are having managerial skills, they are taking risk, they are very, very hardworking, even compromising with their family life, personal life, they are doing very well. Only some small problems, unity, all these things they have to bring. They must be united. If they are united, if they channelize all their resources, that will be more strength. That is where they have to work. Second one is Indian community is not that well placed for charity or philanthropy. I wanted to promote this also. Philanthropy should become part of our life. Earn money, spend money for philanthropy for a meaningful purpose, meaningful way. So this is the two objectives I have come here, and also I wanted to network all our people here in America, and at the same time they must have a link with their motherland. The technology, best practices, and also their experiences, their knowledge, they have to share for the development of India. India also growing very well nowadays, 9.5%. With all these things, with these people involvement, India will do better, and also they can do better in India also. The world has become a global village now. In the global village, anywhere you can do business, anywhere in the world. That is the concept I am promoting. Ultimately, India has to concentrate on poverty, better income for the farmers, rural economy, and artisans, you have to protect them. There we need knowledge, best practices, technologies to address these problems at the earliest. There I am requesting all NRIs to help us by doing this, so that India should become really great nation. In a developed nation, there won't be any poverty. Living standards should be better. There will be some equal distribution of wealth. The benefits of reforms are not reaching the common man. Everybody is accepting for that. There are some islands of prosperity. There are some individuals. All wealth is concentrating. That is, one side wealth creation is good, but poverty should be eradicated at the earliest. Otherwise, there is a heart burning. There is a frustration among common man. That should not happen in India. So with this mission, I came here.
Thank you. Actually, it comes with you. I agree with you. You have covered a very wide area, and that brings out some specific things to ask you. And we know that you have been instrumental in attracting rich people and investors from this country, including Bill Gates. Now, my first question is, whatever investment went to India, did Andhra got the deserving share under your leadership? Number one. Second thing, you said that people need to be united. So what strain you found here for disunity among the Indian community?
What I am saying, they are all, by and large, they are working together. If they work together further, then they can get better results. All their energies and resources put together, then they can do better. Now, what I told you, business, all these things, they are doing well. Second generation, third generation, they are entering lawyers, law profession, and other areas, political lobbying also, political also. This has to be intensified. That is what I mean. All walks of life, Indian community should work well together.
So your state getting share?
So that is okay, reasonably good share we are getting. IT I built totally over a period of time. It is doing very well now. Even infrastructure projects we have done extremely well. If you compare during my tenure, NRI, this foreign direct investment, we got maximum share. But at the same time, we are going all new technologies also, either biotechnology or information technology, all these things. It is